Hi, just a really quick video. For those of you who don't know, this is Harvey. Harvey's a hedgehog, and Harvey is our shop mascot. He's also the executive producer of our YouTube video channel. Today, Harvey has a really important job. He's guarding a folder. You might notice here on the folder it says top secret. So what's in our top secret folder? Well, there's a story first, because there's always a story. So a couple days ago in the mail, I received this little padded envelope, and inside the little padded envelope were just two things. There was a little note that said, I think you might be able to use this. And then along with the note was this. It's a little USB thumb drive. It's a PNY brand, 32 gigabytes, as common and ordinary as possible. There was no return address, and it was just addressed to me at the office. I thought that was kind of interesting, so I decided to take a look and see what was on the USB key. For those of you who might know about it, yes, I did check to make sure there was no malware, or it wasn't a USB killer, or any of those kind of things. It's just an ordinary 32 gigabyte thumb drive. I went ahead and took a look at what was on there, and there were some files. Those files have been printed out, and they're in the top secret folder. And we're going to put this away in the safe, because for safekeeping. And yes, I made lots of copies of it, so it's around. Harvey decided that he was going to guard this today, because he said this is really, really important, and he's just the guy, or just the hedgehog, to do it. So what's in our top secret folder? Well, Harvey's going to go over here a little bit, get out of the way, and while I'm not going to show you exactly what's in the folder, Harvey said I have to do this quickly. Can't give away. It's top secret, you know. Top secret. You have to have clearance. If you don't have clearance, then Harvey, if you see it, he might have to come and kill you. That's a whole nother thing. We're not going to get into that. So what we've got here is we've got 8 pages of schematics. How about that? And I have lots of schematics. I have service manuals. I have schematics for IM 3303s and IM 4006s and IM 5006, and all the way back to 2015s, 2016. Schematics are pretty common, or at least they used to be. Nowadays, not as much. These are top secret schematics because these are for NM series intercoms. This covers the NM100 and the NM200, which is also the same as the music and sound DMC1 and DMC3-4. And apparently someone who probably saw the videos that I put up, or maybe read some information on our website about it, thought maybe we could use that. And they, I don't know, they had a copy somewhere. Somehow they had these, and I don't know, they wanted to help out, and they put them on a thumb drive, probably by accident, and somehow accidentally mail them to me or something. I don't know. I'm sure that they meant to put this in a burn bag and dispose of it and destroy it, but I don't know. Somehow it must have gotten mixed up. Maybe they were going to send me a St. Patrick's Day card or something, and somehow this got in the envelope. I don't really know how this got here. So we've got that, and we've got schematics. Schematics are important. It makes my life a lot simpler, because now we can see how those models are designed, and we can better deduce what goes wrong with them. And if I look really carefully here, you don't get to see. If I look really carefully, oh, this is interesting. What we got here? Seems that we have a, oh no, we've got a well, we've got a microprocessor, and we've got some other ICs, and oh, there's some part numbers, and oh, there's some, that's kind of interesting. And what we got here? It looks like we've got a power supply circuit, and a voltage chart, and I would say by all accounts that looks like an amplifier to me. And on this one, what we got here? Well, looks pretty much like a audio control and input board circuitry, some relays, some more part numbers. Here we have another amplifier. It's interesting, different than the first one. And here we have another kind of power supply. Oh look, we got some fuses and some voltage regulators and some Zener diodes, and oh, a couple LEDs. And here we have a different, let's see, is this different? Yeah, another audio board. So, oh, and here we have some switchboard stuff, normal operation, monitor override operation, a bunch of interconnect drawings. So it seems pretty complete. Could be helpful. So what are we going to do with these? Well, the first thing we're going to do with these is working on little pages like this is kind of a pain. So I'm going to take these down to our local business here, another one, have them blow them up. When we get schematics like this and they're new, I like to write on them, because as you figure things out, discover things, and find problems, it's good to make notations on the schematics as you go, because that makes it quick for the next one that you have to do. So I think I'm going to have these printed up in maybe 16 by 20 or 18 by 24 size pages, get it printed out on some decent quality heavy paper stock so they don't tear, and look at them and study them and learn about them. And what? Oh, okay, sorry. Harvey said he's on guard duty. Whoever sent me the schematics, thumbs up to you. It's nice that there's somebody out there that appreciates what we're trying to do. They will be put to good use. For right now, these are going to remain top secret. It's like only Harvey and I get to see them. I just want to thank whoever sent these. I thought I'd share this because it's part of our ongoing NM series repair initiative. This will go a long ways towards helping things out. So whoever sent these, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, because that always helps. There'll be a banner right here. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell or on the wheel, put in your email address, and every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. That's all for today. See ya on the next video.